So good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Charles, sales manager of K-HAIR Factory, and today we are having our 10 kilogram order to Russia. So he is one of our loyal customers. So let's see and check if the quality of our hair is okay. So let's take a look, and I will show you some popular color. You can take a look at this one, right? So this small one is the color 7.7 with the length of 40 inches. 40. So this one is double drawn hair, which is the medium quality of it. You see, full and silky. Full and silky. This one is the 50. Okay. And I can assure K-HAIR is selling one of the most reasonable price of all because we are a real factory. We produce hair, not reselling hair. So it's 70 inches, 17 inches hair, soft, silky. And also brown hair, which is the color of the dicuss. You see, also very silky, smooth. And only with the double drawn hair you can get this form. You can get this form. And let's move to the most popular and the most favorable type of color, which is the blonde hair, the 613 color. 613. Only double drawn quality you can get this. So there are many other types of colors and many other higher qualities. And if you want to get the best hair in the market, both quality and the prices, please contact K-HAIR Factory. I'm Charles, sales manager of K-HAIR, and